Let me ask you something very important. Has your child ever looked at you with frustration, rolled their eyes, or answered you in a tone that hurt you deeply? Maybe you asked them to put away their phone. Maybe you asked them to clean their room. Or maybe you simply told them no to something they wanted, and instead of listening, they snapped back at you, talking in a loud, rude, or disrespectful tone. If you've been through it, let me tell you this: you're not alone. Millions of parents face this exact moment. And the biggest mistake many parents make is reacting instantly with anger or punishment. But not you, not today, because right now you are about to learn exactly what to do the very moment your child talks back. And once you understand this, everything in your home will begin to change. Slowly, gently, and powerfully. Before anything else, take a deep breath and understand one truth. Your child is not talking back because they hate you. They're not talking back because they are spoiled. They're not talking back because they want to hurt you. Children talk back because they feel overwhelmed, unheard, powerless, or emotionally confused, and they don't have the emotional vocabulary to express what is happening inside them. Talking back is not the real problem. It's a signal, a message hidden inside their behavior, and your reaction at that moment decides whether your child learns emotional maturity or emotional damage. So, let's start with the very first thing you must do, and this may surprise you. Do not react immediately. Silence is your superpower. When your child raises their voice, you lower yours. When your child becomes louder, you become calmer. Because the brain of a child mirrors the emotional state of the parent. If you stay calm, their brain can return to calmness too. Now imagine you're standing there. Your child has just talked back, maybe said something like, "Why do you always bother me? You never understand anything. Stop telling me what to do. Leave me alone." Your heart hurts. Your mind wants to shout back, but instead, you pause. You look at them with steady eyes, and in a calm voice, you say, "I can see you're upset. I want to understand what's going on. We'll talk when we're both calm." This one sentence, this gentle boundary, this emotional maturity, teaches your child more than 100 punishments ever could. And now comes the next step, the step almost every parent ignores. Once the moment has passed, once your child is quieter, once the heat of the argument has cooled down, that is when you sit with them, not as a strict parent, not as an angry adult, but as a guide, a safe place, a calm anchor. You sit next to them, not in front of them. You keep your voice soft, and you say, "I want to understand what made you upset earlier. Talk to me. I'm listening." At first, they may say nothing. They may shrug. They may avoid eye contact. But stay patient. Children open up slowly when they feel safe. And when they finally speak, you will hear the real reason. Not the anger, but the hurt behind the anger. Maybe they felt embarrassed. Maybe they felt controlled. Maybe school stressed them. Maybe a friend said something hurtful. Maybe they felt misunderstood. Or maybe their emotions were simply too big for their little heart. This conversation teaches them that feelings are not dangerous, that expressing emotions is safe, that their parent is not their enemy. Now here comes the part you must remember forever. You correct the behavior, but not the child. Instead of saying, "You are rude," "You are disrespectful," "You always talk like this," you say, "I care about how you speak to me. I want you to express your feelings without hurting others. Let's practice a better way to say what you're feeling." And now, slowly, gently, respectfully, you give them the words they were missing. You teach them sentences like, "I'm frustrated right now. I need a minute. I don't agree, but I want to talk about it. I feel upset because..." These sentences become emotional tools that they will use for the rest of their life. And the beautiful thing is, when you teach your child to communicate with respect, you are not just fixing a moment. You are shaping the adult they will become. But there is one more step, and this is the most powerful one. Once everything is calm, once everything is understood, you gently remind them of the boundary. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay to feel frustrated. But talking back hurtfully is not okay. Next time, let's try a better way together. This builds 3 things in your child: respect, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence. Now imagine your home weeks from now. Your child raising their voice less often. Your child using better words. Your child feeling understood instead of attacked. Your child trusting you more. Your child choosing calmness because you showed them calmness. The change doesn't happen in a day, but it starts in a moment, this moment. When your child talks back, don't think, "My child is disrespectful." Think, "My child is overwhelmed and needs guidance." You are not raising a perfect child. You are raising a human being with complex emotions, and they need your example, not your anger. So the next time your child talks back, pause, stay calm, create safety, listen deeply, teach gently, and guide them with the kind of strength that does not shout, but transforms. You are not just stopping backtalk, you are building a stronger relationship, a healthier bond, and a child who grows into a confident, respectful, emotionally intelligent adult. And if no one has told you this today, let me be the one to say it. You are a good parent, you are trying, and your effort is shaping a better future for your child. Keep going. You're doing better than you think.